Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. Having my coffee this morning. And want to share with you guys a mistake that I've made and I've been guilty of many, many times. And now that I'm taking medication on a daily basis, I'm sort of seeing the error of my ways and I'm correcting it. So want to share this with you guys and give you a couple examples. Now you can see here I have a unmarked pill bottle, and this pill bottle I pulled out of one of my packs that I had, and I've been guilty of this for years because I'm a hiker and I'm always constantly trying to figure out ways to make my pack lighter and more compact, and sometimes that's not a good idea because I'm going to dump out what I got in here. You can see there on my hand, there's 3 different types of medication in this bottle. Now, I know what these medications are, but do other people know? And I've seen other people do this where they just put a bunch of pills inside a bottle and they stuff it in a pack or a first aid kit, which is even worse. And they're taken for granted that they're going to be the person that's going to use this and they're going to know what that stuff is. Now, there's a lot of instances where, like in a long-term SHTF situation, there's a good chance there might be people who don't know what these medications are in packs and in first aid kits, and they're going to need the information on the bottle so they can use that correctly. I got a couple examples here of some other pills that I've carried over the years. This guy here is potassium. Gives you a general idea what that potassium pill looks like. It's kind of important when you're hiking, to have potassium because you're sweating and whatnot. And here's another pill. This is just plain old Tylenol, just basic pain relief. Again, important when you're hiking. But you guys can see that these 2 pills are very, very similar. One's a little smaller than the other. I could easily see where those pills could get mixed up and you could give those wrong. And I don't have to explain to people why, giving the wrong stuff to the wrong, for the wrong thing is bad. And since I started taking medication now on a daily basis, I've kind of come to the conclusion that that little bit of extra space and weight savings in my packs, it's probably not a good idea to jumble all those pills into one and to keep everything separate. So if somebody else would have to use those medications or give them to me, they're giving me the right stuff. So, there is a tad bit of a selfish reason why I'm doing this. But so if you have a home first aid kit, like this is my illness kit right here that I have for the family. You want to keep all the medications in the original packages because even though I might know the medications that are in that particular first aid kit, other family members, friends, people that might be in my group that would be using that in a stressful, situation, they might get that medication confused. So it's very important to keep the medication in the original bottle with the original instructions and all that stuff in. But like I said, that's something that I've seen before, and I've seen other people doing pack videos and stuff where they have some kind of nondescript bottle where they have a bunch of pills in. And like I said, I've been guilty of this myself too, and I'm trying to correct the error of my ways here and share my mistake, of course, with you guys, so you guys can learn from my mistake. It's always better to learn from other people's mistakes than from your own. But anyway, this is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys got a little information, a little entertainment, and something to think about out of this video, as always, that you can apply to your own situation. You guys have a good one.